Ozone sits in the upper atmosphere and absorbs ultraviolet radiation emitted by the sun, which is harmful to humans, animals, and plants. Human activity has damaged this protective layer of the stratosphere. Though over the past 30 years, humans have made progress in stopping damage to the ozone layer by curbing the use of certain chemicals. But more remains to be done to protect and restore the atmospheric shield. World leaders signed an agreement called the Montreal Protocol in 1987 to stop the ozone depletion, and Bangladesh is a key signatory of the agreement. As a part of that agreement, Department of Environment set up a National Ozone Unit in 1996, supported by the United Nations Development Programme UNDP. Though Bangladesh has achieved remarkable progress in stopping chemicals that are harmful for the ozone, but still there is work to be done. Bangladesh now has a goal to lower the use of HFC under the Kigali Amendment of Montreal Protocol. In 2018, the Department of Environment and UNDP started working with Walton, the largest local refrigerator manufacturer, to make environment-friendly and energy-efficient refrigerators and compressors, with an aim to cut down the use of HFC 134A by almost 200 metric tons.
Walton believes in sustainable business model, and we are committed to developing technology which is energy efficient, environment friendly, as well as within the affordable price range to our customers. Successfully completion of the HFC project will reduce both the direct and indirect emissions, and it will give us a great mileage to get the market access to the developed countries.
KSAP is proud to be supporting Walton to improve the energy efficiency of their refrigerators. In a warming world, we will see an unprecedented demand for cooling and refrigeration, and it's important that this demand is met by clean and efficient technologies. We look forward to seeing future leadership from Walton as they bring their more efficient products to market, and from Bangladesh as they develop their national cooling plan.
Kigali Cooling Efficiency Program is also contributing to develop and promote more energy-efficient product during the phase-out of HFC. This will be achieved through a combination of technology transfer, capacity-building training, awareness-raising activities, and monitoring.
Bangladesh has successfully achieved 100% target of CFCs. The country has also successfully implemented 100% phase out of HCFCs from insulation foam manufacturing. The country was awarded in 2012 and 2017 for complying with the obligations of Montreal Protocol. The government of Bangladesh will soon start implementing HCFC Implementation Management Plan Stage 2 to achieve the target of 2025. The country is currently working with private manufacturers to phase out HFC with a view to kicking off targets of Kigali Amendment.
This is just a pilot project to protect ozone layer and fight against global warming.
UNDP feels extremely privileged to be part of this potentially transformative tripartite partnership. One is the government of Bangladesh, second is Walton Group of Industries, a private manufacturer of refrigeration and air conditioning, and third is UNDP. This partnership is actually making a tremendous contribution to the achievement of the sustainable development goals in this country by making Walton much more efficient in the use of energy, by reducing 30 to 40% of energy consumption in a growing market for refrigeration and air conditioning, where 90% of the market share of refrigeration and air conditioning is actually held by Walton and manufactures more than 2 million units per year. We believe that this is not only a contribution in itself, but is also encouraging many other private sector manufacturers in various other sectors to come forward to make similar efforts in going green and reducing the energy footprint.
If we need to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030, we must need to step up.